I never thought that just by adding a few simple ingredients to my shampoo, my hair could change this much. Ever since I created this mix and poured it into my shampoo, every time I wash my hair, it feels like a little miracle happens. Not only has my hair become thicker and healthier, but it's also gained a shine that it never had before. Step 1. Add 2 tablespoons of your regular shampoo to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Mix all the ingredients well until smooth and fully combined. Coffee helps stimulate hair growth. That shine and glow you see in some people's hair, especially those beautiful Indian girls, comes from coffee. It repairs and revives weak and damaged hair, and also helps reduce hair fall. Castor oil boosts hair growth even more. It hydrates both the scalp and the hair, completely eliminates dandruff and itchiness. And it's great for preventing split ends and hair breakage. Use this shampoo mix every time you take a shower, instead of your regular shampoo. Rinse it out thoroughly, and try not to use a blow dryer. Just let your hair air dry naturally for the best results. I'm not sure if you've ever heard about the amazing benefits of clove for your hair. This affordable and easily available ingredient is packed with antioxidants and a compound called eugenol, which boosts blood circulation in the scalp and promotes faster hair growth. Clove's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help reduce scalp irritation and prevent hair loss, especially when the cause is scalp-related. When used regularly, whether as a tea or oil, it gives your hair a natural, healthy shine and brings dull hair back to life. Its nutrients strengthen hair follicles and help thicken the strands. Thanks to its antifungal and purifying nature, clove also fights dandruff, itching, and excess oil on the scalp. Now, do you see how powerful this little spice can be for your hair? Take about 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, crush them gently using any tool. Then grind them into a fine powder using a blender or grinder. Put the powder into a bowl. Next, squeeze the juice of 1 large lemon and add it to the clove powder. Lemon has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help cleanse the scalp, especially by reducing dandruff and itchiness. Its natural acidity balances excess oil, making it perfect for oily scalps. It also cleanses and lightens the hair, giving it a shiny and refreshed look. The vitamin C in lemon boosts collagen production, which strengthens follicles and supports healthy growth. Plus, lemon gently exfoliates the scalp, removing dead skin and buildup so your hair can grow better and breathe. Now add 1 cup of water to the mix. And stir well until everything is fully combined. Strain the mixture to get a smooth liquid. Then, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite shampoo to the filtered mix. And stir until well blended. Pour it into a clean, sterilized bottle. And use this powerful shampoo mix every time you shower, instead of your regular shampoo. Based on your research and personal experience, which of these 2 natural ingredients, clove or lemon, do you think has a greater impact on improving hair health and growth? Share your reasons with us in the comments below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. On my channel, you'll find the best tips for taking care of yourself, your skin, and your hair. Thank you for watching my video and supporting me.